Nothing beats the nuts in hot Italian cookie. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Cannabis News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you how to make almond biscotti with no butter or oil. So to start with, preheat your oven for 350 degrees. So to make sure it's always preheated, we're going to start putting 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm going to add in half a cup of granulated sugar. And I'm also going to add in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. And then I'm just going to use the whisk to stir that well completely. And then we're going to move on for the eggs and the extract. So I'm going to set this aside. So I add 4 medium eggs. Make sure this egg is room temperature. Then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of Imitation Almond Extract that I just beat up together into the small bowl. Then I'm just going to put it in here. I'm going to use the wooden spoon to stir everything together until you get a really nice dough. But you can also use the rubber spatula, but it is up to you. Now here's for my secret ingredients. Whole milk or almond milk. That's about 2 tablespoons of that. The milk's going to be moist when the dough is too dry. So I'm going to keep stir that up together. Okay, we got the dough is nice and thin. For this one, I already toast the almonds for about 8 minutes at 350. I'm going to put in the almonds into the stove, but I like to use my handful of the almonds. Fold the almonds into the dough. Oh, that's going to be sticky. So here's what we got for the thin dough. I put in 1 4 cups of toasted almonds that I just folded into the dough. You can see it's really sticky. And I decided to flour the board. And then I'm going to put the thin dough that goes to after it's folded in with the almonds. I gotta make a lot of mess. Work your dough onto the flour board. Don't worry, it prevents sticking. Just give that massage to knead in so the almonds will stays into the dough. And looks just almost getting done for those cookie dough. It's almost there. Okay, we got the dough. It has been gently leave with the massage. I'm going to divide the dough in half. Just break it over. And then you want to make a really nice log shape. And then place it onto the cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper. So after I shape it to a log, so I put it into the 10 by 15 inch cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper. What I like to do, I decided to use the ruler to measure for this log. That's about 11 inches for each 2 logs. So I'm going to pop this in the oven that has been preheated for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. So after it's about 20 minutes in the oven, I took it out. Then I just place it on the cutting board, and I can slice each log using with the serrated edge bread knife. So as you can see that if it's got break over after it's baked in the oven for 20 minutes, but that's okay, we're just gonna leave it over. And then I place the slices of the cookie back into the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, so that's gonna be seam side down. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes just flip it over and then bake another for 10 minutes. So the total will be 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, both twice of that, that's pretty equally 40 minutes. So after it's totally 40 minutes in the oven, I take it out and then I put it on a cooling rack and then let it cool completely. And then we can feel the cookies after it's just baked. It's really hardened and it looks ready. Here are the almond biscotti looks like. You can also dip with the hot coffee, the hot tea, or even the hot chocolate. So the hot cookie will soak into the hot liquid during in the morning for breakfast. So if you like more recipes, let me know in the comments below. Click on the bell icon for the notification. Give it a big thumbs up for everybody. And then make sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. I hope you're going to love this and enjoy.